America wants our land, our resources, our water, our country. Never. But these are not idle threats. President Trump is trying to break us so that America can own us. That will never ever happen.
Canada just elected former Bank of England Chief Mark Carney as Prime Minister in a historic event. But will this have an impact on the Canadian dollar? Carney brought fresh energy to the Liberal Party, fending off the long-term Conservative favourite 𝖢𝖥𝖣yiv. But while Canada voted, hedge funds made a major move. They slashed 16,000 short contracts on the Canadian dollar and added to their long positioning. That's a net increase of over 16,600 contracts in just 1 week. And they are now extremely long Canadian dollar, the most since last August. And back then, the CAD topped and dropped over 9% soon after. Canada's economy still leans heavily on commodities. Oil and gas prices are falling, and the Bank of Canada is currently holding interest rates. And we have a trade war potentially brewing between the US under Trump 2.0. Now, just because hedge funds are long doesn't necessarily mean that they are right. When they reach extremes, they can often reverse their positions. But for now, we're not even at a strong resistance level on the chart, meaning Canadian futures could still technically run higher. I'm going to be watching US dollar CAD and New Zealand dollar CAD very closely. If the CAD sentiment starts to flip, these could be high conviction setups. So would you short the Canadian dollar here? Let me know in the comments.